Hi, I'm Mark Luters, owner of theCeramicShop.com, and today I'm going to show you a couple products I've developed for repairing your ceramics. The first is Mr. Mark's Wear Repair. It's a kiln-friendly glue, and you can fire it and then glaze over it. The other is Mr. Mark's Crack Pot, and this is a colored clay crack filler. It comes in low fire and high fire and different colors. They're all blendable so you can get the exact tone of your clay body that you're working with. The beautiful thing about the crack pot is it fills in the little voids that are going to be maybe missing when you break your piece, and then you can sand it down, fire it, glaze it, and get this whole thing back together, and you're not going to believe it, but it works. Okay? So I'm going to do it. Here we go. Now we are going to put that crack pot filler in the void and sort of sculpt it in. Okay.
And how long did it take this to dry?
From when we glued it? That's a good question, Lisa. It took about 20 minutes ago, but I probably would have waited maybe a full hour until we started to put this in.
Okay, and why is it a different color?
This is a different color. It just looks a different color. But you can see here, this is the crack pot filled, and you can see it almost matches that terracotta perfectly. But yeah, it just looks a different color because it's wet.
And then how long did you have to paint it and put it all together?
Well, that actually took a little longer than I thought because it was such a big piece with lots of cracks. But, you know, a little handle you can glue on in a couple seconds and hold it there for maybe a minute or two. But this piece, with all the broken pieces, kind of took about 15 minutes to put it all back together.
Does it fill in the broke spots? What does it do?
That's exactly right. It's got some clay in it, but it's also got a material that's already been fired, so it's already been strengthened and shrunk. So when it fires again, it doesn't shrink in, and it's glazable.
And I have one more question.
Okay, what?
when you make something and then crash it and then put it all together, can you put it in the fire again?
The kiln?
No? Yeah, the kiln.
That's actually.
You can?
You should. Once you patch this all up, you really have to bisque fire it again.
And can you fire this too?
Yeah, that's what I mean. You put this material on here, and then we'll let it dry, fire it, sand it, and then we can glaze it and fire it again, and we can give it to Mom for Christmas. Or your teacher.
Okay, thank you. We're with Mark. Bye. Thanks.